Okay, let's start this session. Okay, and Babji sir, please close the earlier video which is already recorded in the chat box. You please close that. Okay, almost 40 plus students, almost 40 plus students have joined in this new session. Okay, so this is the first session for newbies. So who want to join into SAP, FICO and S4 HANA Finance. So our training session is completely on SAP S4 HANA Finance 2022 version. It's completely new version, and everything will be in the 2022 version SAP S4 HANA Finance. Okay, so it's completely advanced version, right? So now today I will give you overall idea regarding what is SAP, what is FICO, what are the versions we have, what is ERP, okay, and what are the SAP components, the basic stuff which I explained today's session. So you feel that's a completely demo session for everyone. Okay, after that tomorrow session, so I will discuss about what is HANA, what is S4 HANA, and complete guidance on SAP S4 HANA Finance. And the day after tomorrow, I will start SAP S4 HANA Finance consultant or FICO consultant roles and responsibilities. Then I will start some more important project related aspects for the initial stage. Once you fit on these areas, then we will directly move to system. Okay. So my recommendation is everyone should get a server access by tomorrow. Okay. I will give you server number. So server number in the chat box. So Babji sir or Kader sir put server number in the chat box. Okay, immediate basis, and regarding course fees, details, etc. will be shared in the chat box. And like you should be active in WhatsApp here also. So here also all updates will be notified in the Skype chat. So you need to look at all the updates like errors, messages, information, the whether today class is not there or there. So whatever the information will be provided in the chat box only. Okay, so will be provided in the chat box only. So that is the reason. So you need to be more active in the Skype chat, because all assignments, like so if I give any assignments, you need to complete that assignment and you need to deliver that assignment in the chat box. So the final result. So that is the reason. So I request everyone. So please be active in the chat box so that you will get good knowledge, no doubt at all. Good amount of knowledge, right? So this is the first session for everyone, for everyone. Okay. So even if you are already taken training, or you are completely newbie, or you have some 14, 15 plus years of experience, whatever the experiences you have, or zero experience, then also this is the first session. Okay, and this is the basic session for everyone, because I need to tell to each and every point to everyone. That is the reason the first session should be completely basic. And then second session, we will explain about what is HANA and S4 HANA. Then we will explain each and everything one by one. Okay. So, and almost 40 plus students have been registered for this demo session. And maybe another 20 members will join by tomorrow or day after tomorrow because of link issue. So many people are not joined. And finally, we have changed the link due to some, network or some other Skype related issues. We have not continued to the earlier link. And Babji sir will close that link and share the details in the chat box regarding new batch details. Okay. Okay, guys, let me start the session first. See, the first question which I'm asking directly, what is meant by SAP? What is meant by SAP? Very simple English, everyone should understand. So what is meant by SAP? So if you have knowledge on SAP, so just you can explore the things here. So other people also will learn. Okay, and also I will add some more few points regarding this topic. What is SAP? Anyone?
System
Application,
solution
system application
product for
product.
data processing.
Okay. So here SAP stands for, S stands for systems. So A for applications. P for products, systems, applications, products in data processing. So what is meant by SAP? SAP stands for systems, applications, products in data processing. Okay, what exactly meant by systems? System is computers, PCs, laptops, etc., tablets, etc. So application means software. So application means software, and product means goods and services. So product means goods and services. So now tell me what generally SAP will do. So SAP will do, so SAP will capture entire information regarding goods and services and stores into the database. Okay, SAP is one of the important databases. Okay, one of the important database. So here SAP will capture entire information regarding the goods and services and saves into the database. That is the reason SAP is a business database software, because the data will be stored in the database, right? So regarding sales and purchase, every day there are several kind of transactions will be happen in the business, right? So sales, finance, purchase, okay, and payments, vendor payments, customer sales, so many things will be happen. So for that point of view, we need one database. So that database is called as a, the SAP business, the database is called as a business database. So because the business information we are storing in the database. So here, what is meant by systems? Systems means computers, PCs, laptop, tablets, etc. So application means software. So product means goods and services. Generally, SAP will capture entire information regarding the goods and services and saves into the database. That is the reason SAP is a business database software. So SAP is a business software, and SAP is also called as a ERP software. SAP is called as a ERP software. So you guys understand that what is meant by ERP? Anyone?
Enterprise resource planning.
So ERP
means enterprise resource planning.
Okay, fine. So ERP means enterprise, R means resource, so P means planning. So ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning. So enterprise means what? Enterprise means organization. Resource means time, money, machine, labor. Okay. So these are all called as a resource. So planning means how efficiently, how efficiently we are using these resources. Resources means time and machine, time, money, machine, labor, etc. How we are using these resources in most efficient and effective manner. How we are using these resources in most efficient and effective manner. So that is called as a planning. Okay. So this is SAP is one of the biggest ERP in the world, and it was ranked number 1 among other ERP softwares. You know, so many ERP softwares are there. JD Edwards, Microsoft Dynamics, QuickBooks, Sage, and PeopleSoft, Oracle. So many ERPs are available in the market. I'm just giving you some ERPs list in the in this place. So ERP list. So ERP list. So some of the important ERPs: Oracle, Okay, this is one of the biggest ERP, and some cases it was ranked 1 in the market. Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics. This is also big competitor for SAP. Microsoft Dynamics, PeopleSoft, QuickBooks, Sage, Groups. So etc. So many ERPs are available in the market, but why SAP? So what is the reason we need to pick SAP? So why the companies are switching to SAP? Is there any particular reason?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the reason?
Through SAP, we can achieve the custom requirement with the standard approach 80%.
Okay.
If you go with other ERP, we can achieve we have to do customization more.
Okay. Fine. You are saying that say SAP fulfill the customer requirement, but
Customer requirement with the standards.
yeah,
Standards.
With the standard SAP, it will fulfill all the customer requirement. That is the reason companies are opting SAP, right?
Yeah, because they will provide the whole suite to the customers. What are the requirements based on the domain, based on the requirement.
Okay.
If you go to other ERP, we need to purchase individually.
Yes. So that is that could be one of the important reason that is valid. Okay, fine. I will tell you why SAP. Just now, I'm just giving the overall idea regarding SAP. Okay, SAP stands for Systems, Application, Products in Data Processing. SAP capture internal information regarding goods and services and saves into the database. That is the reason SAP is a business database. Why business database? Because the SAP capture entire information regarding sales, purchase, payments, etc. In day-to-day business, there are several kind of transactions will be happen. So all these transactions will be stored in the database. That is the reason SAP is one of the important business database software. Okay, and so SAP is also called as a ERP software. So why SAP is called as a ERP software? I will tell you. So ERP, what is meant by ERP? ERP means enterprise resource planning. Enterprise means organization. Resource means time, money, machine, labor, etc. is a resource. Planning means how efficiently you are using these resources, most efficient and effective manner is called as a planning. So I will give you overall idea regarding what is ERP, but just understand that so SAP is one of the important ERP software, and in market there are so many ERPs are available in the market. One of the ERPs are Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, PeopleSoft, Sage, QuickBooks, etc. These are the topmost ERPs available in the market. So now the question is why SAP? Okay. So why SAP I will tell you, and what is ERP also I will tell you. So before explaining about the ERP concept, so let me give brief idea on SAP and the scope of SAP in the market. Okay. So SAP, you know, worldwide, 75% of business transactions in worldwide, 75% of business transactions in worldwide, 75% of business transactions will be transactions are happening to SAP only. So if you look at the trends regarding SAP software, so worldwide 75% of business transactions happen through SAP. So now you cannot ask the scope of SAP. So if you look at the transactions which are happening through SAP is worldwide 75% transactions. Okay, and you know if you look at the topmost companies in the market, like you know what are the companies are there? Fortune 500 companies. So Fortune 500 companies. These are the topmost companies in the market, right? So like Accenture, TCS, okay, Infosys, IBM. So many MNCs are listed in this Fortune 500 companies. They give ranking to the companies. Okay, so this Fortune 500 companies. Okay, so if you look at Fortune 500 companies, So 85% of companies, okay, so occupied with SAP. So 85% of the companies, 85% of the big companies occupied with SAP. Okay. And one more point I want to add you here, so what is, 80%, I told you 80% of the companies occupied with SAP, right? Okay. So which companies generally prefer SAP? Which companies generally prefer?
Audit companies.
Sorry?
Audit companies.
Not only audit, so many manufacturing companies, public utilities, so many research oriented, so many companies preferring to SAP. So now which companies means, most of the cases, topmost big companies generally prefer SAP because they have huge volume of data. They have the different kind of businesses, okay, in across the world. That is the reason. Okay, so SAP generally those companies will pick by SAP only because of huge volume of data. And nowadays SAP has come up with SAP one small for small size organization also. SAP is providing solutions. But earlier, so most of the big companies are using only SAP. Okay, so that is the reason I told you here. Almost 85% of the companies. These are almost 80% means these are all topmost big companies. They are preferred to SAP only. Okay, wherever you go to you go to Hyderabad, you go to Bangalore, you go to Chennai, you go to Pune, other cities also jobs are available. Okay, and if you go to abroad, USA, Canada, and also Malaysia, Dubai, UK, and German, and this is a German-based company. So most of the opportunities will be available in the German-based German countries only. In UK, so SAP. See, almost SAP using by German countries, the first comes under the first one. Okay, then USA second place. So now the project will come from the German and USA only. So now you can understand that this is the one of the finest software, and also it was spreaded to almost 200 countries. And this has almost 4 lakhs customers around the globe and 230 million cloud users. Okay, so this is one of the biggest software in the world. Okay, if you look at revenue point of view, so there is no huge recession. There are so if you look at other companies, due to recession they are terminating or lay off employees, right? But in this case, SAP has terminated 3,000 employees, but still they have a profit. Okay, so this is not gone to the losses. Even Google has lay off so many people. Okay, so many employees, but so SAP the software still it is in the profits mode. Okay, so now you understand that this is one of the biggest software, and those companies will prefer. They have huge volume of data, and their business is spread to entire world, and their company codes are so many. Then this software should be picked automatically, no doubt at all. And this is completely German-based software company. Okay, so it is German-based software. This is German-based software. It is German-based software company. Okay, and this is German-based software company, and it was founded by 5 IBM. This software was invented by 5 IBM employees. So this software was invented by 5 IBM employees in 1961. This software was introduced in 1961. Okay, so this software was invented by 5 IBM employees in 1961. Okay, so they are IBM employees, and this is a German-based software company. Okay, and Fortune 500 Fortune 500 companies. So almost 85% of companies occupied with SAP. So companies which have huge volume of data, generally they prefer this software. Okay. So this is a basic view, insights regarding SAP, and you want to add any points here regarding SAP, then you can give your thought process or anything here. That is welcome. Anyone want to add any points regarding SAP? You are welcome. Anything want to add? Okay, if there is nothing, then I will add some more points here. So SAP has 3 servers. Okay, so SAP has 3 servers or 3 layers, we can say. So it is worked on R3 basis, means 3 servers basis. So R3 means R means real time. So keep your audio mute, please. Everyone, like Kalish Sheikh, keep your audio. See guys, SAP has 3 servers. Okay, R3 basis. R means real time. So R means real time. Okay, real time basis. 3 servers. So what are the servers are there? Okay, 3 servers. Tell me what are the servers?
Development,
Presentation layer, application
quality,
layer,
production.
database layer.
Presentation server, database
Database.
server. So there are 3 servers. I will in the next classes I will tell you clearly what is application server, presentation server, and database server, and will give you some examples. Okay, and this is complete S4 HANA. I will discuss regarding R3. Okay, so SAP has 3 kind of servers or layers, we can say. So application server, presentation server, and database server. Okay, so now the question is, why SAP? So we have so many ERPs are available in the market. Why SAP? We have so many ERPs are available in the market, but why companies switching to SAP? Anyone? So one person told me that so SAP has not that much customizations we can do. So standard SAP itself sufficient for the client requirement. So but other cases, but other ERPs, so there are so much customizations are required, and some manpower and etc. is required for doing that, and the technical knowledge is required. So I think Kalish has explained this. Okay, so I will tell you, yes, this is one of the important and valid point, but I will add you some more points here. Why SAP? Why SAP? So, because of integration. So integration facility is much in SAP comparing to other databases, other software, other ERPs, because of integration, because of flexibility, because of reliability, because of trustworthy. Okay, trustworthy. Okay, more friendly, user friendly, more friendly, user friendly. So user friendly. So more friendly, user friendly. So these are all reasons, and security is better comparing to other ERPs. So there is no data leakages. Security, because of security. Okay, and customer support is good. Customer support 24/7. Good. So that is the reason most of the companies are picking SAP because of integration flexibility is more in SAP. Integration. SAP is connected with all the modules like finance module, MM module, SD module, PP module, QM module, all the modules integration is good. So see, if you want to see one information in single window, SAP is the best choice. What is ERP? ERP means enterprise resource planning. But so if you take any department, so if you take any company, so many departments will be there, like HR, okay, finance, controlling, okay, so production planning, plant maintenance, okay, and metal management, so quality management, so many departments. Generally, ERP is integrated with all these modules, all these departments. Every module is a department. All these modules. That is the reason management will extract the reports easily and very flexibly. That is called as ERP. ERP means in single window we can see HR information, we can see finance information, we can see controlling information, production planning, plant maintenance, quality management, all the informations we can see in single place. So that is the reason the SAP is a ERP software. Okay. So now the question is the integration. Integration means, so this facility, so all departments are integrated. Okay, so HR department integrated with finance. Okay, finance is integrated with MM, finance is integrated with SD, finance is integrated with production planning, metal management integrated with warehouse management. So all these modules are integrated. Then what happens? We can extract the flexible reports and we can provide the management accurate information at the end of the office. So everyday business should be go happier. There is no issues, no disturbances, no interruptions. Everything should be fun. That ERP will do. So now that is the reason SAP is a ERP software. So because of flexibility, it is best among the other softwares. And also one person added here, very important customization. Okay, yes. So SAP standard process may not suit for all the clients, all the client business. SAP has its own problems. Okay, so we also do some customizations in SAP. If standard are not meet, if client requirement is not meet, then we need to do customization in SAP also. So what is customization? I will tell you. I will give you a small idea so that you people understand. So right now I'm telling one session. Okay, so I'm just giving one session to you. So after the end of the session, you will notified with a recorded video in the chat box. That is the requirement. That is the customer requirement. Your requirement is you need to get the recorded video after the end of the session. This is your requirement. Your client. I am the software provider. Okay. So this is your requirement. But this is not happening in the Skype. Why? Because the one session is started. Okay, and one session is ended up. So after one day, you will notified with the recorded video. This is the software requirement. But a client requirement, that means you are the client. Okay, you are the client for me because you are purchasing my software. Okay, so this is a software requirement. The software will do only will give you only record video after 2 days or 1 day only. But your requirement is one session is ended up, you need to get recorded video on the immediate basis so that you can access the recorded video and you can do your homework. This is your requirement. But this requirement may not be fulfilled by client. That means may not fulfill by SAP. That means here Skype will not be provided. This software will not be provided because this will give you after 2 days only. But your requirement is you need on urgent basis once ended up, session is ended up. So now this is the difference between software and your requirement gap. This is called as a gap. Okay, now we need to do the customization. So I need to fulfill your requirement at any cost. That is the reason I need to do some customization in the backend, and I will try to give you the recorded video after end of the session at any moment, not by 1 or 2 days. This is called as a gap, software requirement and client requirement. If both are not same, if client requirement is not satisfying a software, you assume that is a SAP software, then we need to proceed with the customization. Okay, so in even SAP has also perform customization. See, some case client requirement may not suit to the SAP software. Okay, so so we need to connect technical people and will fulfill the requirement. So that is called a customization. So here, why SAP? SAP? Why? Because of integration, flexibility, reliability, trustworthy, more friendly, user friendly, security, and also customer support is good. So that is the reason most of the companies switch to SAP. Okay, and this is a famous software comparing to others. This is a very famous software, and SAP has almost 4 lakhs customers, and it was spread to around 200 countries among the world. Okay, this is one of the biggest software in the world and in the ERP world. Okay, so this point you should understand. This point you should understand. And the next pointer is, what is ERP? Just now I explained. ERP means it is an integrated planner. So ERP means ERP is an integrated planner. Okay, so ERP is a integrated planner. I will share you the document also, don't worry. So this is just like rough notes for your better understanding. I have PPTs and etc. and well designed. Okay, I will show you up tomorrow, but today just I'm making rough notes for you to give you the better understanding. If I show you if I show the PPTs, so most of the people don't understand properly. If I write the things, so you can easily catch up the points and etc. That is the reason I'm just trying to writing each and every point to give you the better idea or picture regarding this topic. So now you understand that why SAP, because of this. And SAP has come up with so many products. SAP come up with so many products. If you look at or you just browse in the Google, so some of the SAP products, so many products will be there. I will show you up in this Google right away. Just give me one moment. Just type down SAP products. Okay. So SAP has launched so many products. Okay, list of the SAP products. If you look at the product list here, so these are the major units. S4 HANA, business by design. Okay, enterprise business one. Okay, this is for small enterprises. Okay, so cloud. This is for clouds, design for the cloud. And this is a PLM, product lifecycle management, SCM, supply chain management, SRM, supplier relationship management, ERP, enterprise resource planning. So these are the major units of SAP. Apart from this, so many products. SAP is a business development cycle. Okay, this will develop the this is one of the what you call product life cycle. Let's say it will continuously work on product improvement, system design. Okay, so for giving the better product to the customers, so many products. If you look at this, all these products. So SAP business software is, see, SAP is a business software, and so these are the SAP products. SAP business intelligence. Okay, SAP cloud for customer, cost center accounting, so many products SAP has released. But some of the important products which I'm giving you for your better understanding, just a copying and just I'm pasting over here. So these are the important products. So these are the important major products of SAP. So as for HANA, Enterprise Resource Planning, SAP Business by Design, SAP Business One, CRM, Customer Relationship Management. This is called as a business suite. SAP is also called as a business suite. Business suite means is containing all the products. Okay. SRM, Supplier Relationship Management, SCM, Supply Chain Management, PLM, Product Lifecycle Management, Enterprise Resource Planning, Customer Relationship Management. So for legacy products, so all this information has been given. and for which business SAP suits. Okay, so generally, what kind of businesses, what kind of business for SAP is suitable? So here also given SAP.
Manufacturing,
So here some of the examples.
banking,
Yes, banking, insurance, logistics,
insurance,
supply chain management,
healthcare,
healthcare. So
retail.
yes, retail. So here, just look at this. So this is the link. Okay. So links are there. So if you click on this links, then it will directly take you to the web browser. Okay, for your better understanding, just giving the links also. So these are all not required for interview and etc. Okay, this is just like basic idea regarding the course. What is, if anyone asks you, so what is SAP, what is ERP, and what is the products of SAP? Then at least if you have this kind of information in your pocket, so then you can share your knowledge to anyone, right? So this would be helpful. So industry software. So for which industries this software generally used? SAP for retail, SAP for utilities, SAP for public sectors, SAP for oil and gas, SAP for media, SAP for telecommunications, healthcare, banking, insurance, financial services, shipping services network, engineering, constructions, operations. Okay, for all business SAP generally use. Okay, I'm just sharing this rough notes in the chat box. Okay, so in the chat box, I'm sharing these rough notes. Okay, so what you can do, so you just copy this. Okay, just you copy this, right click and copy, and just open up your Word file. Just open up your Word file. Okay, and paste one and put the name day one. Okay, got my point? So just open up Word file. Okay, and just expand this, paste over here. Okay, so and save this as a day one class. Okay, this is the demo session for everyone. Okay, and now I will give you overall idea regarding the version. So you have some confusion. Okay, some people feel that FICO is different, as for HANA Finance is different. No. Okay, SAP FICO is the old version. As for HANA Finance is the latest version. So now you should understand that what is the difference between SAP FICO and S4 HANA Finance. So we are teaching 2022 version. Okay. So everything will be in 2022. So what is the difference between this FICO and S4 HANA Finance? You people have some confusion, right? So most of the people most of the people don't know what is the difference between FICO and S4 HANA Finance. See, in ECC we can say SAP FICO. Okay. So in ECC, just give me a moment, guys. Just give me a moment. See, guys, in ECC, so in ECC, just look at this. In ECC, we have SAP FICO. But in case of SAP S4 HANA, okay, we can say, so see, S4 HANA means it's a new, completely new version. So like here, this, if you feel that it is a 3G, it's a 4G, and you see, this is a 5G version. So whatever the facilities are there in ECC, it will be there in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, and but whatever the facilities are there in the facilities means functionality. will be there in the S4 HANA. It will not be there in ECC. S4 HANA Finance is the latest version of ECC. Okay, ECC means ERP Central Component. This is the old version, and this version has been continued for the long 20 years. Okay, and this version will be ended up, and that means no more in 2026 onwards. This version will be ended up, obsolete completely. Obsolete means this version will be no more. So SAP has given official notification that